Esto es 2 meses, o casi 2 meses, almost 2 months after I brought my plants inside. I already have signs of new tomatoes. Look at this. New flowers. Nuevas flores, nuevos tomates. Look at the lettuce over there. Same over here, por acá. New tomatoes. Some yellow. El crecimiento continúa acá adentro. Si le das las condiciones óptimas. Peppers. Another pepper over there. Tiny one here. And on the bigger plants, the vine plants, las plantas en rama, they also have flowers. And I have some tomatoes already. I noticed today. También tengo un par de tomates. But mainly, yeah, I'm happy because these are producing. And of course I have peppers here too. So, yeah, everything is working fine. That's it.